Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about one of the most hardworking and important organs in your body, the liver. The liver performs more than 500 functions, including removing toxins from your blood, breaking down fats, storing vitamins, and helping digestion through bile production. But modern lifestyle habits like junk food, excess sugar, alcohol, stress, and lack of sleep can overload the liver. When this happens, you may feel tired, have poor digestion, skin problems, or weight gain. The good news is your liver has a strong ability to repair itself if you support it correctly. Let us understand how to do that in a simple and informative way. First, let us clearly understand liver detox. Many people think detox means drinking special juices or using expensive products, but in reality, your liver already detoxifies your body naturally. What you need to do is support this process by reducing toxin intake and giving your liver the nutrients it needs. The focus should always be on long-term habits, not quick fixes. The most basic and powerful step is proper hydration. Water helps flush toxins out of your body and supports blood circulation through the liver. Drinking to 2-3 liters of water daily helps the liver process waste more efficiently. Starting your day with warm water, especially with a few drops of lemon, can gently stimulate digestion and liver activity. Now let us talk about the best foods for liver health. Leafy green vegetables like spinach, coriander, and fenugreek are rich in chlorophyll, which helps remove toxins from the bloodstream. These greens also support bile production, which is essential for breaking down fats and removing waste from the body. Garlic is a natural detox booster. It contains sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes responsible for removing toxins. It also has selenium, a mineral that protects the liver from oxidative damage. Including raw or lightly cooked garlic in your meals can significantly support liver function. Turmeric is one of the most powerful natural ingredients for liver health. It contains curcumin, which has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Turmeric helps protect liver cells from damage, improves bile flow, and supports the regeneration of liver tissue. Adding turmeric to your daily cooking or consuming it in warm milk in moderation can be very beneficial. Fruits rich in vitamin C like lemons, oranges, and amla help boost the production of detoxifying enzymes in the liver. They also reduce oxidative stress and improve overall liver function. Antioxidant-rich fruits like berries also help protect liver cells from damage caused by free radicals. Beetroot and carrots are excellent for liver cleansing. They contain plant compounds like betalains and beta-carotene that help improve liver enzyme activity and support blood purification. These vegetables also help reduce inflammation and support better digestion. Healthy fats also play an important role. Nuts, seeds, and oils like olive oil provide good fats that reduce inflammation and support liver repair. At the same time, it is important to avoid unhealthy fats such as deep-fried foods, processed snacks, and trans fats, which can lead to fat buildup in the liver. Reducing sugar intake is very important. Excess sugar gets converted into fat and stored in the liver, which can lead to fatty liver disease over time. Similarly, alcohol is one of the biggest enemies of liver health. It directly damages liver cells and reduces the liver's ability to detoxify. Limiting or completely avoiding alcohol can greatly improve liver function. Another key factor is regular physical activity. Exercise helps reduce fat accumulation in the liver, improves metabolism, and enhances blood flow. Even simple activities like walking, stretching, or light workouts for 30 minutes daily can make a big difference. Sleep is equally important. Your body repairs itself during sleep, including liver cells. Poor sleep can disturb hormone balance and reduce the liver's efficiency. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night to support proper liver function. Finally, avoid unnecessary medications and toxins. Overuse of medicines, especially painkillers, can put extra pressure on the liver. Also, try to reduce exposure to chemicals from processed foods, pollution, and artificial additives. In the end, liver detox is not about quick solutions, it is about consistent healthy habits. By eating the right foods, staying active, drinking enough water, and avoiding harmful substances, you can naturally support your liver and improve your overall health. Take small steps every day, and your liver will stay strong for years. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our